2, 3.
Ready to renovate. Hilton Head Island Middle School held a groundbreaking ceremony to celebrate construction beginning on their new classroom addition, as well as renovations to the existing building.
Our school was built in 1992, so we have some age here and we're ready to see all the fresh things that are coming. The inside of the school is going to look like a brand new building, and the cool thing is the structure itself and the outside, it stays very similar to what we know and love about the school. So it will be cool to be on the inside and see some of these new things that are coming and just have a fresh new environment for us to work and learn in.
The project will be broken up into multiple phases, focusing on improving safety and security, updating existing areas of the school, and building a new addition.
We're gaining STEM classrooms and almost 10,000 square feet of new space, which would be able to be used to spread out some children in classrooms and to give us more areas for them to explore and get up and move around so that they can do fun and engaging activities in the classroom. We have deep roots that are here, and that's the nice part about the building structure staying very similar to what you see right now. And it'll be nice as our school and our community continues to grow in population, we'll be able to house more and more students and provide them with those fun experiences in adequate space where they're not so cramped up.
During the ceremony, the school band and chorus performed for school officials, Board of Education representatives, and community members. The students are excited to see how their school building is going to change.
They're adding on new classrooms and stuff like that, so the hallways might be a little bit bigger and it might not be as crowded. They're also adding on a new cover for like the courtyard. It's going to be like a whole other thing covering the sidewalk, so we won't always have to cut through and around school to get to our classes. So it's going to be a huge time saver. It also look really pretty.
Construction should be finished at the end of 2024. The projects are made possible by the 2019 School Board referendum. At Hilton Head Island Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.